Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful tea-dyed paper using an easy method. First, you will need to gather a few simple supplies. Grab some black tea bags, hot water, and your chosen paper. For the best results, I recommend using a heavier paper, such as cardstock or watercolor paper, which holds up well to moisture. Also, find a shallow tray or baking dish that can accommodate your paper size. This will be your dyeing station. Now, let's prepare our tea solution. For a rich, deep color, I suggest using at least 5 to 10 black tea bags. Place these into a heat-safe container and pour in about 2 cups of boiling water. Let the tea steep for a good 10 minutes to ensure maximum color extraction. This strong brew is key to achieving that aged look. Once steeped, remove the tea bags and allow the solution to cool completely to room temperature before moving to the next step. With your tea solution ready and cooled, it's time for the fun part, dyeing the paper. Carefully submerge each sheet of paper into the tea, ensuring it is fully saturated. You can use tongs or your fingers for this. Let the paper soak for anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how dark you want the final shade to be. A longer soak will yield a more intense, aged appearance. Experiment with different times to find your perfect hue. After achieving your desired color, gently remove each sheet of paper from the tea solution. Lay them flat on a drying rack or a clean, non-absorbent surface. It's important to allow the paper to air dry completely, which can take several hours, depending on humidity. Once dry, your tea-dyed paper will have a beautiful, antique look. If you notice any wrinkles, a quick iron on a low setting can help flatten them out perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.